It is 10:43 a.m. Friday morning, January 12th, 2024. We're at the Metra Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway line station at Western Springs, Illinois. That was eastbound Metra train 1243 arriving, departing, heading from Metra's Aurora Transportation Center to Chicago Union Station, making most stops in between. Just now have our first big snowfall of the season, up to a foot of snow. And here we also have an eastbound Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway manifest on their Chicago, heading east on their Chicago subdivision. Got a DPU on the rear distributed power unit. And here we have the historic Western Springs, Illinois water tower. It's been a museum. It's now permanently closed. Construction goes back to the late 1800s. Again, Western Springs, Illinois, Friday morning, January 12th, 2024, over and out.